Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export just audio. So the first thing what we need to do is let's go here to the deliver page. So this rocket icon, and now here on the left you will see here video, audio and file. So if you click here to audio, you can select here the some settings for audio. So uncheck export video and then just leave export audio checked. And yeah, pretty much you can then select MP3 if you like, track data rate, bit rate, you can bit depth, you can select output track, you can change track number, and yeah, normalize audio, sample peak program. Here you will let's maybe this one, and when you hit, you will basically get audio out of this rendering. And this is basically how you can export just audio. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.